Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some of the smallest, yet most important, workers on our planet: bees. You see them buzzing around flowers, and you might just think of them as honey producers, or maybe even a little scary if you've ever been stung. But their role in our world is so much bigger, so much more critical than you could ever imagine. Stick around because you're about to see nature's tiny superheroes in a whole new light. So, what's the big deal about bees? It all comes down to one simple, magical process: pollination. As bees fly from flower to flower, sipping nectar, they get covered in pollen. When they land on the next flower, some of that pollen rubs off. This is how plants reproduce. It's like a delivery service for plant life, and bees are the best couriers in the business. Without them, countless plant species wouldn't be able to create seeds or bear fruit. Let's put this into perspective. Think about your last meal. Did you have apples, almonds, blueberries, or cucumbers? What about coffee or chocolate? You can thank a pollinator, most likely a bee, for all of them. In fact, about 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollination. That's 1 out of every 3 bites. Farmers rely on bees to pollinate their crops, ensuring we have a diverse and abundant supply of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. So, in a very real way, bees are essential for our food security. But it's not just about our dinner plates. The work of bees creates a massive ripple effect throughout entire ecosystems. The plants they pollinate provide food and shelter for countless other animals, from birds and insects to small mammals. Think about it: the berries that feed the birds in your backyard, the wildflowers that support other insects, they all start with pollination. Healthy bee populations lead to healthy plant communities, which in turn support a rich diversity of wildlife. They are true keystone species, meaning their presence is crucial for holding the entire ecosystem together. If they were to disappear, the whole structure could collapse. Now, for the tough part. Sadly, these incredible creatures are in trouble. Threats like habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases are causing bee populations to decline at an alarming rate around the world. When we build over wildflower meadows or use chemicals in our gardens, we're unknowingly harming the very insects that keep our world vibrant and fed. It's a serious problem, but the good news is we can all be part of the solution. So, what can you do to help? It's easier than you think. One of the best things is to plant bee-friendly flowers in your garden, on your balcony, or even in a window box. Flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and poppies are like a 5-star buffet for bees. You can also support local, sustainable farmers who use bee-friendly practices. And maybe most importantly, avoid using pesticides in your own garden. Every little bit helps create a safer, healthier world for our fuzzy friends. By taking these small steps, we can give back to the tiny heroes who give us so much. Thanks for watching and learning about the amazing world of bees with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. Let's work together to protect these vital pollinators. See you next time.